Welcome to Get My TDL. Myself, Sutish Nair, I am taking care of business development. We are three brothers. My other two brothers are taking care of research and development. We are continuously in research and development of new technologies. We are always trying to be the first who introduce unique solutions in the market. After inventing this era, we are sharing with the Tally partners over the globe and they are selling to customers. This is how Get My TDL channel works. In this video, I am going to share you some useful information. At present, we are serving more than 1,000 partners and we have many associated partners like Chartered Accountant, GST. We are also serving many freelancers over the globe. In this video, I am going to share some valuable information to all well-wishers of Get My TDL. And this will be very useful for Tally users, Tally partners, all associates of Get My TDL and subscribers of YouTube channel. The first information is for Tally users. After making one product, we used to upload its demo video in my YouTube channel. Thereby, we are getting many inquiries, but majority of the inquiries are for free add-ons. Everyone want to get this add-on free. So I used to tell them that you can buy add-on from us at add-on cost. Frankly speaking, we are not concentrating Tally users because our concentration is for Tally partners only. We don't have any problem of giving free add-ons to Tally users. But the thing is that most of the add-on have its own setting, installation procedure. Only few of the customers know how to add TCP, make the setting themselves from YouTube video or screenshots. But majority of the Tally users need our help in installation. Customers will be disappointed once they set the cost. Along with the partner, few customers are also buying from us. And they are totally independent. They know how to add TDL. They know how to follow the settings from the video or user manual if I share. They do themselves. They are happy and continuing with Get My TDL. Now I am sharing some happy news to those disappointed customers who are looking for free add-ons. We don't have any problem of giving free add-ons to you if you can install yourself. If you need our assistance, we require service charge. If you really wish to get a particular add-on free and for your business use, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number 90370500040. You can see the WhatsApp link in my YouTube channel and you can communicate with me. We will discuss and I will try to arrange that add-on free for you. If you are a well-wisher of Get My TDL and you want to aid from the market, then definitely we will help you. We will give you associated partnership. Thereby all Get My TDL add-ons you will get free. We know that you have many doubts and questions. The first question will be how to get a trial of the add-on. Yes, of course, we will give unlimited trial to you. The next question is, I want to get a compiled TCP for customer serial number. The answer is yes, we will give you compiled unlimited TCP as per your request. Please note that this is based on your request only. The another question will be, will you add your company name in the add-on? No, we are not adding Get My TDL contact details in any of these TCPs. If you want, we will add your company name contact details in each TCP. So you will get trial, you will get compiled TCP, both are unlimited. And also, the complete add-on of Get My TDL is free for associated partners. It's unlimited trial and unlimited compilation. This partnership is costing 10,000 plus GST yearly. And you are getting unlimited. But from the Tally partners, if any of the other freelancers, individuals, chartered accountants, GST consultant, and any other service provider, computer dealers, or any freelancers or those who lost job, they can also become our associated partners. We will help you all. And periodically, we will arrange online training program of add-on. You have to install the add-on yourself. Of course, we will give training of the add-on. This as per your request. And we are planning some periodic sessions of explaining new solutions, how to install it. And all these add-ons are free for associated partners. If you have good Tally knowledge and you want to earn from the market, definitely we will help you. You can take our associated partnership. The only constraint is that you should have good Tally knowledge. Then only you can install the add-on. You can do the setups. And you can follow as per demo video or user manual screenshots. You can do yourself. Please note that we are starting associated partnership. If you are interested, if you are self-interested, then you can come with us. We are always help partners to grow. But it should be a win-win situation. We have some rules and regulations that you have to follow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for spending your valuable time. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.